In our today's video we are going to learn what is dropshipping and how can we make money from it. So let's go. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a seller doesn't keep the products they sell in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier and has it shipped directly to the customer. The seller acts as a middleman, facilitating the transaction without handling the physical inventory. Here's how dropshipping works and how you can make money from it. 1. Setting up an online store. To start dropshipping, you need an online store where you can list the products you plan to sell. You can create your store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. 2. Finding reliable suppliers. Research and partner with reputable dropshipping suppliers or wholesalers who offer a wide range of products at competitive prices. Look for suppliers with good track records in terms of product quality and timely shipping. 3. Selecting products to sell. Choose a niche or product category that aligns with your interests and target market. It's essential to offer products that have a demand in the market and aren't oversaturated. 4. Listing products on your store. Once you've chosen your products and suppliers, list them on your online store along with product descriptions, images, and pricing. Ensure that your product information is accurate and appealing to potential customers. 5. Marketing and promoting your store. Driving traffic to your online store is essential for generating sales. Use digital marketing strategies such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. 6. Receiving orders and payment. When a customer places an order on your online store and completes the payment, you receive the order details and payment information. 7. Placing orders with suppliers. After receiving an order, you forward the order and shipping details to the supplier. The supplier then fulfills the order by shipping the product directly to the customer. 8. Making a profit. The difference between the price you charge the customer and the cost of the product from the supplier is your profit margin. The key to making money with dropshipping is to price your products competitively while maintaining a healthy profit margin. 9. Customer service and after-sales support. Provide excellent customer service to enhance customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Handle inquiries, address concerns, and ensure timely order fulfillment to maintain a positive reputation. Benefits of dropshipping. Low startup costs. Dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment since you don't need to purchase inventory in advance. Low overhead. Running an online dropshipping store typically has lower operating costs compared to a traditional brick-and-mortar retail business. Scalability. As your business grows, you can expand your product offerings and reach a broader customer base without managing physical inventory. Challenges of dropshipping. Lower profit margins. Since dropshipping involves paying the supplier for each order, profit margins may be lower compared to traditional retail where products are purchased at wholesale prices. Supplier reliability. Dependence on suppliers means your business's reputation can be affected if suppliers fail to deliver products on time or provide subpar products. Competitive market. The ease of starting a dropshipping business has led to increased competition, making it essential to differentiate your store and products effectively. Dropshipping can be a profitable venture with the right niche, marketing strategy, and dedication. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, choose reliable suppliers, and continuously optimize your store and marketing efforts to succeed in the competitive dropshipping landscape. If you learned something valuable from this video, make sure to press the like button and hit that subscribe button.